Okay, good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you. So, now you are all very active. Whether you had your tea?
Not yet, sir.
Good. Your response should be, we will have. Okay? Because entrepreneurs never say no, not negative statement. I appreciate your statement. Instead of saying no, you are mentioning like that. Good. Okay, I think 45 students, including me, they will join. Okay, students. So we are moving towards the second case study to discuss about the same story. Because in conceptual manners, entrepreneurs are having number of traits. We have discussed a few in case of first example, that is the Prem Ganapati case study. And we have discussed different stages of venture. How Prem Ganapati overcame his problem. All are considered as the different stages. Okay. So let us see the another case study so that you will understand the concepts and background clearly. Okay. So this case study is about the very good literate entrepreneurs coming out of IIT. So before going to that case study, I have quoted the example given by the Faisal Hoque about the entrepreneurship. Before seeing the case as well as the entrepreneurial process, according to Faisal Hoque, the entrepreneurship is taking the ownership. Be clear. He mentioned that taking ownership of one's economic well-being. You have to take the ownership. You have to take the risk. That is what he called as the entrepreneurship. In Dosawala case, we have discussed what are all the risks he has taken for taking the ownership. Only after 5 years, he was able to achieve the ownership and also economic well-being. Not only him, but others. That is the true point at present we are going to discuss now. You are going to find out not only the economic well-being of yourself, but also others. In case of Dosawala, at the end, the climax scene is different. You might have seen that one. Climax scene, he earned money. At the end, he decided to create a social entrepreneurship. Students, that is how an entrepreneur is creating economic well-being of others. You have to give due respect to the society. It is not only earning money for yourself. Of course, it is essential. Without money, there is nothing. That is why money is said to be equal to a human blood in the venture. But the ultimate purpose of money, you have to include the economic well-being of others. Now that Prem Ganapati is feeding more than 50,000 people in Dharavi region in Mumbai because of COVID attack. He is running a big Annadana. We can say Annadana in a big manner. That is why he mentioned like that. Let us see the example of the another case study. If you know these two case study, you are able to understand the subject in anywhere. The case study has been named as Ballad of the Bansals. You may think about what is the meaning of ballad. You are going to tell me at the end, not now. Ballad of the Bansals. This is a case study of, the Flipkart, how it was created, what is the present position of the Flipkart now. We are going to discuss about that one. That is why it is mentioned that handling bookmarks to handling a multi-billion-dollar company. Bookmark means you might have seen inside the book you will keep a bookmark when you are reading. If you are reading the Bible, we used to keep a bookmark in different places. So that is the bookmark. So how these Bansals created a story of Ballad of Bansals. This is the story, a live story of two persons, only friends, not brothers, be clear. That is Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. These two were friends. They become friends in case of their studies in IIT. You can see that one, but both are from Chandigarh. Both Sachin and Binny Bansal, they were from Chandigarh and they were the students in computer science and engineering in IIT Delhi. From Delhi they move on to the Bangalore. When they were studying, they joined together. And after the completion from IIT Delhi, they got a job in Amazon. Of course, they were rejected by Google. You can see one of the Bansal mentioned that he has been rejected by Google twice. They never worried about that one. They are all very good candidates. Even though some of the computer science students are here, they are very good in coding. They studied in such a manner and they applied for the job when they were in IIT. Google rejected, number of companies rejected. Finally, Amazon take over that one from Chandigarh to Delhi, Delhi to Bangalore. Previous case was not like that. They moved from south to north. Here, they moved from north to south. Previous case, Dosawala was uneducated person. Here it is not like that. Educated person. They were all from IIT Delhi. See that one. But their friendship, not brothers, how their friendship created the venture. Among you, there are a number of friends. Even here, computer science students are there. How the friendship is moving. When they were working in Amazon, they decided something they have to do. In the year 2007, they joined in Amazon. As mentioned, they initially invested their own money into the business. They decided to invest something into some business. And for them, Axel India, Tiger Global, and Naspers, these are all the big venture capital firms. These Bansals know clearly because they studied in IIT. Since they are all IIT graduate, these venture capital firms ready to finance the Bansal group. In Dosawala case, it was not like that. Nobody is ready to invest in dosa. But here situation is different. Their power of venturing begins with a simple friendship. And their power of venture has been accepted by the venture capitalists since they are all graduates from IIT. Tiger Global is a very big organization. They are ready to fund these Bansals. Even Bansals, by the time they never discuss about what will be their business. They were having the power of ventures within them. Since number of organizations are coming forward to finance these Bansals, they decided to launch a business. You might have seen they went to Nandi Hills in Bangalore, then number of places in Bangalore. They were roaming here and there, and they identified in Bangalore. Remember that they are from Chandigarh. They studied in New Delhi, but they came to Bangalore. In Bangalore, they founded their business in 2007 under the name DigiFlip. Since they were all working in Amazon, in those days Amazon was famous for selling the books, even Kindle. Amazon entered into India by selling Kindle, then only they established in a very big manner. Today you can see the Amazon. These persons were having very good knowledge, and since they were working in Amazon, they grab ideas. That is important thing. When they were studying and working, they grabbed the ideas and they decided to launch DigiFlip. Which products? Even the USB laptop bags only, not books. Of course, later on they call it as books. They decided to create a concept called DigiFlip. Since they are all graduates, the venture capital firms, be not clear, venture capital firms. Venture capital means the organization which are ready to fund you when you are starting your business. They are called as venture capital firms. They decided to invest their money with the Bansals. In the small place, in a lake, a pond, they gain something like where Buddha gained something from Bodhi tree. Here also they gain knowledge from a lake after visiting the Nandi Hills. And they decided to sell the books after the Flipkart. DigiFlip is said to be a failure one. So they decided to go for a new concept called Flipkart. In Flipkart, they decided to sell the books. See that one. Since they are graduates, they decided how to sell the book in online. Nobody knows how to sell in online. Only the Amazon knows. They introduced the Kindle by that time itself. So how to promote the books? What they decided, they went to Church Street. I think some of you might have gone there. MG Road, Brigadier Road Junction. And nearby MG Road, they entered into Church Street. They went to Gangaram bookstores in Church Street. And they decided to put a bookmark inside the book sold by Gangaram bookstores. They met Gangaram bookstore owner. He also agreed that one. Inside the book, they used to put a bookmark. See that one, how they come down. They are all IIT graduates. Funds are huge. All the venture capitals are funding for them. Even then, they come down to the Church Street in MG Road. And they used to put a bookmark. Those who are coming to Gangaram bookstore, they used to put a bookmark. In that bookmark, they used to mention Flipkart. Because first they introduced the Digi. It was a failure one. Since they are not having the business entity by the time, they were forced to close. So they opened the Flipkart. And how to promote the Flipkart? They created a bookmark, who are all coming in the MG Road, Brigadier Road, all these places, they used to roam. See that one. IIT graduates, they were having good million, but they were roaming inside the street, Church Street. They used to keep the bookmark there and they used to sell. That is how they promoted the Flipkart. And graduates, how they promoted. That means if you want to promote a product as an venturer, you have to come down. You can't say that I am sitting only in office, somebody can do. It won't work. You have to come down. That is why you must learn from this case. In case of Indian entrepreneurs, they never worry about anything. They used to come down bottom of the pyramid to work. That you must understand. Here they came down to the bottom level and worked. But first customer, they got it. In October 2007, a man bought a book in online. Flipkart, they introduced in online. And they delivered their first online book. His name is V.K. Chandra, a customer in Mahbub Nagar. But you can see that customer ordered a book. That book was not available in Flipkart. The first customer. That's what first day itself I asked. If you are running a business, if a customer is coming and asking, but that product is not available with you, what you will say? Here also, Bansals faced the problem. A very big customer, that is V.K. Chandra, he is from Hyderabad. He ordered a book with Flipkart. First book, first order, or a first customer for the Bansals. After roaming in the street of the MG Road and Brigadier Road, they received in online from a customer from Hyderabad to buy a book called Leaving, that is John Wood's book, Leaving Microsoft to Change the World. Very interesting book, I think some of you might have heard about. A book written by John Wood. In that book, the book was titled Leaving Microsoft to Change the World. But they received the order. As usual, if you book in Amazon, they used to mention the book is available, but it takes more time. They received the order, but in stock they are not having that book. Remember that first customer order from Hyderabad, but that book is not available with him. You can see how they communicated. The power of communication you must know. As an entrepreneur, how you have to communicate. He mentioned, Chandra, leaving Microsoft to change the world seems to have an availability problem all over India. Still, my vendor has informed me that he is able to procure the book. We are really sorry for delay in your order. They mentioned that, they never mentioned that book is not available. We are really sorry for the delay in your order. We will be more than happy to assist you. See the method of communication. Since they are all venturers, how they communicated. As an entrepreneur, you should have such a communicative power. They communicated, the power of communication. And what happened? They roamed here and there. They searched 50 bookstores. And some of them mentioned that even in Delhi and Mumbai, the book is not available. During that rainy day, but the Binni Bansal, he searched that book in Old Market as well as all the bookstore in Bangalore. Finally, he got that book in Sapna bookstore in Indiranagar in Bangalore. See that one. They never say no. They never say reject. They accepted the challenge. For that, they roam, IIT graduates roam around the Bangalore. Finally, they got that book in Sapna bookstore in Bangalore, in Indiranagar in Bangalore. See that one. They ready to buy and give to the customer. The first customer was satisfied. See that one. How to satisfy the customer. That is important thing. Dear students, in case of ventureship, you should not leave any customer. Customers are equivalent to a king. You have to satisfy, you have to engage the customer. That is the power of Indian entrepreneurs. Next, they decided to grow. Flipkart started growing. What happened? Since they are having very good investment, they acquire means they purchased another company, Mintra. See that one, a lifestyle company called Mintra was taken over by the Flipkart. Flipkart purchased another company. They started growing. In case of the Dosawala, how he started the competence power. He entered into New Zealand, then US, Dubai. Likewise, in Flipkart, we used to call it as power of competence. They used to compete with others. They gained from Flipkart because of their tireless working. What happened? They purchased one organization, Mintra. Of course, it was partially funded by DST Global, another venture capital firm. See that one. And they raised by online marketplace around 9,000 crore. Think about that money. 9,000 crore. That is their power of competence. They never worry about that one. How to acquire the money. They started acquiring from others. And their power. They used to reinvent the wheel of e-commerce. They mentioned. They decided to sell all the products in Flipkart. Diversification. And their power of passion towards their venture. They invest their money once again. Their power of passion leads to be a very big one. In 2012-13, it was considered as the biggest online shopping. Flipkart was considered as the biggest one. See that one. How they created their business. They mentioned that we reinvented the wheel of e-commerce in India. They used to buy all the companies in that year. One, WeRead, Miami 360, Chatbox, Let'sBuy.com, all these organizations were taken over by the Flipkart. That is the power of passion. They want to be the leader in market. This is called market leadership. They used to overthrow their competence power. And they used to lead that one. Now their business is growing. Now, how they created the value for their employees. See that one. When Flipkart was very small company, they identified one person for selling and distribution. You know, now Amazon, you are getting the books from your doorstep. But the person who is doing the planning of supplying the goods to your house is very important. Only if he knows Bangalore well, he is able to supply. In the same manner, in case of Flipkart, what happened in the beginning days in 2007, they were not having any person to know about Bangalore well. But they identified one person nearby Hosur who was working in Ashok Leyland. His name was Ambur Ayyappa. He studied just 8th standard. But these two Bansals are IIT persons. What they did, but that Ambur Ayyappa knows neck and corners of Bangalore. Each and every place they knows. This Ambur Ayyappa knows well. So what they did, they paid his salary even less than 8,000 rupees to develop the Flipkart. Ambur Ayyappa was the person appointed by the Bansals as the logistics manager. A student who failed in 8th standard worked as an apprenticeship in Ashok Leyland in Hosur, but who is roaming in Bangalore. They identified that person because this Ambur Ayyappa knows all the corners of Bangalore. They appointed this Ambur Ayyappa as the logistics manager to supply the books everywhere. But you will see what is the present position of Ambur Ayyappa. We will see at the end of this case study. See that one. They used to give power to employees. They never worry about that one. Because this Ayyappa doesn't know about the computerized system. How to type, what is the computer, he doesn't know. But these two fellows know. So, they used to teach Ambur Ayyappa. Ambur Ayyappa knows physically well, and his responsibility has been taken over by this venture. That is how empowering the employees. As an entrepreneur, you have to empower the employees. That is important one. In case of Flipkart, they did it. Likewise, what happened? Yes, two students approached the Flipkart. They are from NIFT, in Bangalore, National Institute of Fashion Technology. They already set up Young Trends. These two students, one is Praveen, another one is Sindhuja. They already started a small startup, a small unit, but they wish to sell their product through Flipkart. They approached Bansals. Bansals told, you are my customers. We are ready to give platform to sell your product in Flipkart. That is how venturers create their own customers as the other ventures. They never think about they will be a competitor. See that one. That means everybody can grow with others. You should not grow alone. You have to go and grow along with everybody. That is the empowering the customers. These Bansals helped Praveen and Sindhuja of Young Trends, which was said to be a startup in those days, to sell their product through Flipkart. That is how they empower the customers. See that one, how the venturers are creating that one. Now, the money comes in. You can see that one, both Bansals. In case of Sachin Bansal, got the Entrepreneur Year of the Award from Economic Times in 2013 and 14. And the Flipkart was awarded Young Turk of the Year CNBC TV 18. And it is awarded and for the nominated for Tomorrow Awards of 2011 by India Market Leaders. Now, they were having good money. 8,000 plus faculty, around 120,000 sellers are selling. Users are 120 million plus, that is their customer. Total funding crossed $4.5 billion. In market, it is valued as $11.6 billion. Huge money. How they used to manage money. Within 5 years, they've grown up well because of their determination. They created a money for that one. By the year 2016 and 17, first time Flipkart sales came down. See that one. They were working tirelessly. In 2014, they were the top. Of course, in 2016, the problem, they came with their parent Amazon. Amazon used to dominate Indian markets. In 2016-17, these Bansals faced the problem of downtrend of money. That means they first time felt that their sales tends to decrease. Usually in marketing, once the sales goes up, definitely within 2 years it tends to come down. That is the business life cycle. In financial year 17, Flipkart declared a loss of $1.3 billion. Now they started worrying. One of the Bansal, Sachin Bansal, mentioned, we never sell Flipkart. Because they assume that they are the brain kid of them. But in the marketing world, the business started comes down. Because that is the marketing. Once it will move up, then it comes down. But they used to exit from Flipkart. Be clear, power of exit. The venturers must know how to exit. For venturers, power to exit. For us, power of exit. And the Amazon decided to buy Flipkart. And they mentioned that 60% of the stake may be purchased by Amazon. But Bansals are worrying because Flipkart is the prime product of these Bansals. But first bid came from Amazon. Amazon clearly told you are going to run in loss. First time you reported a loss, your sales came down. And in 2017, you are facing the loss. We are ready to buy you. What happened? You can see that one. But they decided to sell with a Flipkart's big billion day. See that one? The Flipkart made a deal with Walmart. Instead of selling to Amazon, they decided to sell to Walmart. This is called game changer. Be clear. They face the loss. Even though they are not having the mindset to sell, they are ready to sell because Walmart is ready to take over them by giving more money. See that one? So they decided to sell the Flipkart to the Walmart. That is the game changer. They are having their own idea. It is not that they have sell the business. They are not selling their own money, but they are ready to sell their business. That is called as Flipkart Big Billion One. Now they are having the power to sacrifice. See that one? They only bring the Flipkart. This is the brainchild of both Bansals. They earned huge money. Of course, only 1 year They faced the loss, but they decided to sell, and Walmart is ready to take over that one, and it has been valued at $50 million. That is more than 400 times they invested. See that one. 400 times what they invested. So, since they are going to get $50 million, they decided to sell. That is the power of sacrifice. Even though Bansals are not having their opinion to sell, they agreed to differ. See that one. Agreed to differ. That is the power of Indian entrepreneurs. See that one. And because of the sale, they decided our employees should not be affected. Because when the news came to the employees, they were worrying. We discussed how they empowered Ambur Ayyappa. Ambur Ayyappa was an illiterate person. He worked with these IIT graduates. He was a logistics manager. He learned computer with them. And they were having 8,000 workers with them. If they are ready to sell this company, all these 8,000 workers will feel where they will go. Now it is the climax. The concept of agree to differ. Students, are you able to hear my voice now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think some network connectivity in our lab. Okay. Then you can see the concept agreed to differ. The climax is now. What do you know the climax? Walmart made an agreement with these Bansals to take over the Flipkart. Walmart is ready to pay the 16 billion, that is 77% of Flipkart. So what these Bansals did within a night time, they converted or transformed their employees into owners of Flipkart. Within a midnight time, all the 8,000 workers have been given the share of Flipkart. Tomorrow, Walmart is going to take over. Today, all the 8,000 workers are mentioned as the owners of Flipkart. That is the story of Flipkart. That is the climax scene. That is the Indian entrepreneurship style. They know clearly tomorrow Walmart is going to take up, and as per legal thing, next day Walmart should give the entire amount. If Walmart is ready to give the amount, it should goes to the owner. Who is the owner? Whether two Bansals or 8,000 persons or both. So what Bansals did? Within the midnight, all the employees' name who are all in that one, including Ambur Ayyappa, was considered as the logistics manager, has been converted into the owner of Flipkart. So next morning, the Walmart agreement entered into the Flipkart. Walmart signed an agreement. They mentioned that we are ready to give $16 billion to Flipkart. Where the money will go? $16 billion will go to the owners. Now, there are 8,002 owners, 8,000 workers plus 2 founders. See that one, empowering others. Within a midnight time, within 24 hours, Ambur Ayyappa becomes Crorepati. That is the entrepreneurship style. They never let their workers to feel loss. Even though they know that next day the workers may be sent out, but none of them will be sent. Within 24 hours, all the workers are made Crorepati. That is the power of Indian entrepreneurs. See that one. If they think that both of them will take the money as the founder, they may send all the 8,000 workers out. But Flipkart didn't do that one. The Bansals agreed to differ. That is the climax story of the Flipkart Walmart accusation. Most of them might have seen that one. What was the cascading power in that one? Now, Walmart taken over the Flipkart. They are given the amount to Sachin Bansals as well as the workers. They left the Flipkart. That is the power to exit by sacrificing. Even they are sacrificing, their workers get money. They need not wish to lose the power of their employees. They converted all the workers into Crorepatis. After that, you can see the Sachin Bansal. He was having 1 billion venture fund. Sachin Bansal was given the fund around 1 billion by the Walmart because for sale of Flipkart. But what Bansal did, he mentioned 40% of the fund will be given to venture capital at free of interest. That means if anybody is ready to do the business, a startup, Bansals are ready to invest with them. That is called cascading power. See the mindset of the Indian entrepreneurs, how it has changed. They never worry about money. Of course, in the beginning stage, money is essential. But when it comes to the next stage, money is not important. You have to empower others and you have to empower yourself. Now, Sachin Bansals are considered as the leaders. They are funding for others. So that's what you must know in today's case. So now you can think about both case studies, how this Bansals and Dosawala is working. If you want to study the Indian entrepreneurship style, you must know these things. What are all the entrepreneurial values created by these entrepreneurs in India? In case of our subject, the concept says that only 4 headings. What are all the entrepreneurial process? How an idea has been created. In Flipkart, an idea has been created by the friends nearby Nandi Hills. Then they converted the idea into Digi. It was a failure one. Once again, they got the fund from venture capitalists. Then they go down. They went down and worked in the Church Street. They were roaming in Church Street, in MG Road and Brigadier Road. Then they used to sell the first book. The customer was from Hyderabad. The book was not available. How to communicate? They know the communication. But they satisfied the first customer by roaming around the Bangalore. Even though they sold for loss, but they wish to satisfy the customer. That is the second one. Next stage, after creating the customer, how they created their employees. They wish to empower their employees. They identify the illiterate peoples and join hands with that one and teaching them and lead their ways. And Ambur Ayappa was created. Then, how they empower their own customers. Two of the NIFT students asked them to sell their product through the Flipkart. They made, and they made it successful one. See that one, how they are empowered. These are all the stages. Then, next stage, when they created the business, they are having good customers. Now, they decided to increase their business expansion. For that, they purchased the other business we have discussed. After that, they gained lot of money. Now, the Flipkart business tends to decline. So what happened? They decided to sell in another mind. They decided to sacrifice the Flipkart. That is the power of Indian entrepreneur. How they decided to sacrifice? Their sacrificing is different one. They wish to sell to Walmart instead of Amazon. Then core value of the entrepreneurship. Even in case of distress, how you can empower the employees. Within midnight, they decided to empower their workers. Those who are all working by the time, they have given the shares in Flipkart. And those who got the shares in through this midnight, when Walmart take over, they are considered as the crorepati. The $16 million, of course, 40% goes to two Bansals, remaining 60% was shared by these persons. That is how they claim. In final stage, even after acquisition, they were having the funds. They decided to invest that amount with other entrepreneurs. Maybe like you may be a good venturer. These are all the stages. And from this case study, you must know what are all the main traits an entrepreneur should need. I think somebody raised the hand. You can ask question. Yes? Anyone? Okay. So dear students, now you can go through the two sections in your LMS. That is the what are all the process in ventureship, then what are all the traits for the entrepreneur. Now what you are going to type in the chat, you are going to list at least one entrepreneurial traits created by the Bansals and post it in the chat. You have to mention your roll number. Then you have to mention any one traits as you like from the Flipkart story. I am going to see that one. Yes, now you can start your chatting. You are going to enter your roll number. Then you are going to type what is the entrepreneurial traits you liked from the Bansals. Come on. Why no response? Yes, power of communication. I think Sandra mentioned that power of communication, good. Because how they communicate with the customer. Yes, never give up attitude of Bansals. I like good. That is from Sabha. Good. Another person mentioned empowering employees. That is Ambur Ayappa. Yes, Reshmita mentioned determination. Starting from the Nandi Hill story to the end. Good. Another point goes to empowering employees. The way to communicate with customers. Good. From Angel. Perseverance. Good. Joshua mentioned that perseverance. Cleverness. Value. Oh, now you have passion. Slow can be successful. Somebody mentioned. Very nice. That is, you should be very slow, but you should be very steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Did it leave the employees in difficult times? Good. That is the core thing in entrepreneurship. Craft your passion, patience and determination. Good. Determination and empowerment of employees. Learn from failure. And one of the person mentioned, yes, the first business started by the Bansals didn't get approval from the government. Leadership, good. How the leadership trained a person. This Ambur Ayappa was identified by them. Ambur Ayappa knows every place in Bangalore. Good. Competence, good. How the persons, Bansals, compete with others. They used to take up the business from others. That is the competence power. Good. Survival during the hardship. Good thing. When there was a loss, how they survived. Yeah, seeing their comment to help others through the very good. The Ahmed Abdullah. He mentioned clearly the last point. That is help others through the venture capital. See that one. They are having the funds. Now they are ready to help the others. One entrepreneur is creating another entrepreneur. Good. Ronnie Benny mentioned the experiments, believing themselves. How you have to believe themselves. You should have trust with others. That is important. Both Bansals are not brothers. They are friends. They used to believe. Even at the end, they agreed to differ. Yes, their positive mindset, power of promoting, good. So, very good response from you. Thinking about their employees. Never be afraid of failures. Trust in one's capabilities. Good. I think most of you mentioned. Dear students, these things you must know. Now, you can go through the concept. In examination point of view, you are able to write everything. Never write the conceptual level only. Whatever you gained, you are able to write. That is why this subject has been included in the generic elective. In case of concept, we used to put up what are all things in the book. But inside the classroom, we used to discuss in the application side. That is very important thing. Since this is a skill-based one, you must know all those things. Very good students. You have done a very good job. Same thing. I'm expecting you are able to do. So clearly understand about this case study, read the concept, and in case of today's work of assignment, I have given in the LMS platform, you are going to see the startup link and simply register yourself. You may have some thinking power now because you have seen the illiterate person's view. You need not do any big one now. Visit the Startup India scheme. Go through that one. If you are having idea, put your idea there. Otherwise, simply you can register because next experiment somebody mentioned are purely based upon the remaining habits of you. If you are having mindset like Dosa Wala, how the innovation has been created, or if you are having innovative mindset like Bansals, how to empower employees, you may have some sort of power with you. Bring your power. Put up that one in startup today itself. We will grow along with you. With this, we'll conclude. Any doubts? Now we are having another 2 or 5 minutes. You can ask. Or we are having 5 minutes time. You can ask any doubts from that one. Because I don't know about you. I have not seen your face. Even then we have discussed the story. This is the method of learning in postgraduate level. That is why I have taken the case study. Okay. Any doubts you can ask me. Yes. Now at least you can show your face. I'm able to see your face now. Yes, one by one is coming. At least we will have the class, last class in the classroom, physical one. Good. I'll think it is in recording mode. I will put up in the group. Yes, good. So whether you had your tea at least now? I expect positive answer.
So we'll have something.
Good. Somebody mentioned will have. Good. That's what I expect. Yes. Others? Whether you had your good lunch or bad lunch?
Good lunch, sir.
Good lunch. Good. That's what I expect. Very good. Be positive. Then only you are able to do. Good. If you are having any ideas, today itself you can post up in the startup groups. Very nice to see you. Possibly if COVID-19 ends within 2 or 3 months, we are able to see you live. Okay. Until then, bye-bye. Good. Thank you. We'll meet on Thursday. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.